Here we are entering the Edge Villas. Here is your refrigerator with your coffee station and tea, bottled water.
Upstairs, 2 full-size bathrooms, one over here, the other one upstairs.
And we have a full bathroom right here on the entrance level.
Door that gets them access to
Beautiful sitting area that has access out to the balcony with your flat screen TV. And then we have our little jacuzzi. So this is the 1-bedroom Villa Edge with 2 full bathrooms. And the bed is in the upper loft. Docking station for all the electronics, makeup mirror. So we have a full-length mirror here, but you have access to the rest of the ship from the upstairs as well as the downstairs. With this villa out here on your private veranda, you have a day bed, a nice rocking chair, a nice little couch here, and then you have your private little plunge pool right there on your cabin.